Ken Kreitzer for Canvas Media. We're in Huntsville at the Association of the U.S. Army Conference. Get a chance to hear about the launch today of the UAS Marketplace. And with us we have Colonel Danielle Medaglia and Michael Heroux, who are leaders on this program. I'm going to start with Colonel. Tell us a little bit about the significance of what you're launching today, this UAS Marketplace.
Yes, this is going to be super powerful. Really, our intention is to provide the access to the most capable UASs directly into the hands of soldiers, ensuring that they get to choose the capabilities that meet their unique mission needs. No longer is the Army providing a one-size-fits-all approach. Instead, they'll get into the marketplace. They can filter through the different types of UASs that may meet their need, whether it's on cost, on range, on endurance, specific payloads, etc. And then we're going to also be here, the PM-UAS team, holistically to engage and help them with all of their choices going forward, really so they have success on the battlefield.
Very good. And Michael, tell us a little bit about the development process. Was expedited, as was said, from 18 months to 6 months through hard work of a lot of people. What did it take to make that happen?
Yeah, like you said, it was a lot of hard work between a lot of agencies. So Army CIO's office, the Chief Information Office, our PM-UAS team, NETCOM, a process that typically takes about 18 months. We were able to walk through the process, all get on the same page. We have Amazon Web Services developing the site, so they've been a big part of this as well. And really just working together, working through the process, and having Army senior leader support was tremendous to help expedite.
And just some of the capabilities that were mentioned, you can do quality control with this, and you can check the vendor's ability to scale if it's really if something is really working. Tell us how you do that.
Right. So the general process, and it's open to all vendors, so air vehicles, components, software, services. The whole intent is really this free market approach, and instead of running traditional competitions and maybe selecting one or two vendors, we're opening this up to really all vendors, and we're allowing them to follow our onboarding process. And so from there, we just we get a couple of systems, we get a bunch of data from the vendor, we load it into the marketplace, and then we get it quickly in the hands of soldiers. And based off that soldier feedback, if it's positive, we continue moving forward. We do manufacturing assessments, cyber assessments. We verify that the soldiers can repair or maintain the system on their own in the field. And then we make informed production scaling decisions based off of that feedback.
Very good. Let's get back to Colonel Medaglia. Drones are something that's really emerged from the conflict in Ukraine. Have you ever seen anything that's changed how the Army thinks as quickly as UAS and drone capability?
Well, you've seen from the beginning of our country, right? It started with the musket, then we went to the tank. There's always something big. Throughout the years. Right now, the UAS is changing the battlefield as well, and it's an exciting time to be in this space.
Colonel, I always like to ask members of the Army about their careers. Where did it start for you, and what have been some of the stops along your career?
I've had a very awesome career. Started out as a Black Hawk pilot, operationally the first 12 years of my career. Transitioned to the Acquisition Corps, where I was able to become a Chinook pilot, and I led the Chinook helicopter product office before getting here to the UAS project office, and it's just been very humbling to be able to engage like we have across the Army, and I'm just blessed to have the career I've had.
That's great. Well, thank you both for your service to the country. You're doing amazing work, and the launch of the UAS Marketplace is just a vital step forward that you've accomplished. We look forward to hearing more about it. Great to see you. It's Ken Kreitzer for Canvas Media at the AUSA conference in Huntsville.